The last part I need to multiply is 2/10 times 3/10. I can model this by using a grid to shade in 2/10 multiplied by 3/10. So the overlapping part represents 2/10 times 3/10, which is 6/100. I can represent that with my base 10 blocks using a cube. So this cube, remember, represents 1/100. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, now 6/100. If you look at my area model, I have now represented 4 2/10 times 2 3/10. All right, now you can see this represents 2 3/10.